pertinent topic. Over the next 5 minutes or so, I'll quickly share with you our views as Microsoft, our experiences, and the way we see technology impacting on how can we enable cities with a better governance, how can we make our cities better for ourselves, and how can we make our cities much more safer. We at Microsoft call this as City Next, the city of the future, and how technology can help us in improving what we already are doing. A quick background, urbanization is at the rate of 1 million people per week move to urban areas from rural areas in each of the emerging economies. It's not around the world, in each of the emerging economies. That's the way scenario is changing quickly. And what it means actually is whatever modernization we may do, whatever investments we do in modernizing our infrastructure still becomes obsolete, it still becomes outdated, it still becomes undersized as soon as we develop that. So how do we overcome that? And what are the challenges that it throws to us? I think the first and foremost challenge that it throws to city administrators and to city residents is how does the city meets evolving needs of each and every citizen, irrespective of his age, irrespective of his caste, irrespective of his sex, irrespective of his social strata. How do cities cater to each and every citizen of the city, despite the constraints that cities are today facing in terms of budgetary cuts, in terms of economy going slow? As Mr. Khan pointed out, the first phase of urbanization essentially was around creating verticals or clustering functions of cities together in the verticals like education, health and social services, government administration, which consists of both revenue and expenditure, creating buildings and infrastructure planning, tourism, energy and water transportation, and public safety and justice. Now, each of these verticals have sub-building blocks within each of them, for which we have technology solutions. We as Microsoft have technology solutions for each of these components, and so does the competition. But the real technology innovation lies not into going into these verticals, but into how do we integrate these verticals together? How do we spin horizontal solutions all around these things? We all have technologies. We as Microsoft have technologies, so does the competition. We all can wire up the world. We all can place sensors in water. We can put power sensors. We can put motion sensors. We can put radiation sensors. But the real tourism, transportation, each and every function comes with its own technology, comes with its own technology solution. But the idea is how do we string them together? How do we create horizontal databases? How do we create horizontal solutions so that we can do intelligent dashboarding out of all this and then spend our efforts and money in the direction where it needs to be spent? I'll quickly jump on to the specific topic of the day, safe city, making our city secure. As Mr. Kant, as Dr. Krishna, and as Mr. Basi pointed out, making cities secure is not something which can be done in a standalone manner. We can't just take up an injection, inject into a city and make it secure. Secure city comes from a city which is fully planned, which is well developed, and a city which has equal opportunities for all. But law enforcement has to take its shape. Law enforcement also requires to be paid enough attention to. We as Microsoft have been working in law enforcement areas ever since 9/11 struck in US. We worked with multiple state governments over there, national government over there, to develop security-related solutions. The solutions towards awareness, solution towards getting insight, solutions which are able to connect various information pieces together, and solution when we are able to work in fusion. When I say fusion, what I mean is collaboration between multiple law agencies, be it police, be it army, be it navy, be it intelligence outfits, and things like that. Towards that, I'll just present a simple slide. What we have done for New York Police Department, we have helped them in creating a complete secure environment. The way security and safety needs to be planned for a city, the way it needs to be implemented for a city, ranging from surveillance to real-time crime center to domain awareness. Domain awareness essentially is a keyword here for a dashboard which merges data in a graphical format from more than 4,000 cameras on GIS maps. So it takes GIS information from a road map, 4,000 cameras transmitting information together, 911 alert calls equal to 100 PCR, merging that data along with that, and merging data from radiation and motion sensors over there.